Hello, my dear student. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Nowadays, we are passing through a days in a situation of pandemic situation actually throughout the world. So that's why, due to pandemic situation, our classes are not held. And we cannot take classes in our school. That's why all of your study little bit hampered. But from the last July, our school arranged a online classes for all of our student, and from then we have been taking classes due time, and all of our teachers tried their best to make their classes very effective, and they tried to make you understand various kind of topic. And today I am going to discuss about a new topic. Let's start our today's topic. I hope all of you would stay with me from the very beginning of the class and till the class end. It is Muhammad Shafiqur Rahman, assistant teacher, Mohammedpur Ramadan Memorial High School, Shenbagh, Noakhali. Our today's topic is without clues. So, at the very beginning of my class, I would like to discuss about without clues actually. What is without clues? Without clues is a kind of fill in the gaps, and you have to use suitable words for filling each gap so that the whole paragraph makes sense. Here, to solve this question, actually, every student has independence. They can use any kind of suitable word which is suitable for the gap. And if the word make complete sense of the full sentence, then this will be or it will be a appropriate word for the gap. So it is though it is very easy, but most of our student feared for the question. They cannot answer the question properly in the examination. Actually, they do not have proper guideline how they solve the question properly. So I will try to make all of you understand the properly how can you solve the question. Let's go, dear student. How to solve the problem of without clues? At first, you have to rewrite the whole text minimum twice or 3 times. Okay? At first, don't fear the question. Just go through the whole question, basically or especially without clues. Go through the question first to last, minimum twice or 3 times, and then try to guess the overall meaning of the text and what does the text want to say, or what does the text discuss about. Okay, and try to guess the summary or the gist of the text. And then you have to have knowledge of parts of speech. It's a very fundamental grammatical terms of English grammar. So every and each student should have the knowledge of parts of speech properly. What is noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition and conjunction. If you do not identify a word as a noun or a pronoun or adverb or adjective or preposition, you cannot use word properly in fill in the gaps. So, must every student have the knowledge of parts of speech and then knowledge about simple, complex, compound. It is a structural sentence. Three kind of meaningfully sentences are 5 kinds and structurally 3 kinds. So every student must have the knowledge of structural sentence such as simple, complex, and compound. If you do not the structure of simple or complex or compound, you cannot use word properly in the gaps. And last of all, must you have vast knowledge about vocabulary. Of course, you have to have vast knowledge about word meaning, and you have to stock a vast knowledge, vast word meaning of English. Okay, dear student, let's try a question, try to solve a question. We are together, and please take your exercise book and pen and then start to write down the question and answer. Okay, here is a question for you, and this question we will try to solve this question. And to solve this question, we will go through the full text from the beginning and last. Okay, books are man's best dash in life. You must have many good friends, but you do not dash them when you dash them. They may not always dash to you with sympathy. One or two may dash false and do not much dash, but books are always ready to be your dash. Some books will dash you love, some other will give you much dash. Again, some books will bring you new knowledge and ideas. They are your dash friends throughout your life. So we have to go through the whole question, the whole text or whole paragraph of the question and try to guess the meaning. Actually, this paragraph is written about books and its importance. Okay, so you have to guess the meaning of the text or paragraph. Then you have to then you can easily fill the each gaps. Okay, books are man's best dash in life. Here the word is superlative, so after superlative you can use noun. That's why we can use here man, friends or companion. So books are man's best friends. You can also use here another word, companion. Companions and friends are both a synonym, both are same meaning. So you cannot only use here only friends or companion. You can only another word if this word make complete sense of the sentence. You may have many good friends, but you do not have them. You can use here have them, all you but you do not get them. You can also use here get them, or you cannot find them. Okay, you can use any word, but you have to use here a verb, because before the gap there is do not. We know that do not, does not, and did not. After do not, does not, and did not, you must have used a verb or base form of the verb. You do not have, or you do not get, or you do not find them when you need them. Okay, when you need them. Here also you have to use a verb. because when after this is a clause, this is a complex sentence actually, and you use a subject, and after subject every sentence contains verb, so you have to use your verb. You need them. You may not always dash to you with sympathy. Look at this sentence, dear student. You may not. May is a modal verb. So after modal verb, you have to use base form of the verb. So here also you have to use. You have to write a verb. They may not always come to you always sympathy. One or two may dash. Here is also a modal. So after modal you have to use a base form of the verb. One or two may dash false and do not march. One or two may prove. Prove is a verb. One or two may prove false and do not march dash. March. March is an uncountable adjective. Actually, uncountable adjective. So uncountable adjective, you have to use a adjective. So much harm. Do not and do you much harm. So but harm is also a noun. Harm is also a noun. After much you have you can use noun. You can also use noun. And harm is also a noun. But books are always ready to be by your side. Here is appropriate is side. Some books will is a modal, and after modal you have to use base form of verb. You will make you laugh. Some book make you laugh, and some other will give you much pleasure, much happiness. Okay, much is an uncountable adjective, and after adjective you can use noun. So happiness, happy is adjective, happiness is noun. So that's why you have to use here noun. So happiness is noun and pleasure is also a noun. You must pleasure. Again, some books will bring you new knowledge and ideas. They are your dash friend. They are your true friend. They are your real friend. Okay, they are your true friend. They are your real friends throughout your life. Okay, dear student, I have tried to make you understand how can we solve the question of without clues. And here also another question for you. This another question. A flower is the base dash of nature. It is a dash of purity and beauty. It gives us dash. There is nobody but dash a flower. Its sweet smell is dash all. Nowadays, flowers are dash in our country. Many people earn their dash by flower cultivation. Today, dash people dash their houses with flowers to enhance beauty. At present, flower exhibitions are dash in our country. So this paragraph is about flower and its uses, flowers and uses, and its fragrance and the beauty of flower. So here the author wanted to describe about flower and its importance. So you have to guess the meaning of the paragraph, then you can easily choose the best answer, and you can easily fill the each gap by using appropriate word. Flower is the best gift of nature. Flower is the best gift of nature. Flower, and it is a dash of is best gift. Here is the word best is its superlative degree, and it's also adjective, and gift is noun, gift of nature. So after adjective you can use noun. It is a dash of purity. It is a symbol, and symbol is also is an article. A is an article. So after generally we use article before noun, countable noun, before countable noun. And also here symbol is a noun. It is a symbol of purity and beauty. It gives us pleasure. It gives us pleasure. And here is pleasure is the appropriate word, and there is nobody but loves or likes a flower. Here is verb, likes or love. Its sweet smell will dash all. We will is liked by all. Actually, it is a passive voice. It's a passive voice, and whenever passive voice, and every passive voice must contain past participle form of verb. Every passive voice contains past participle of verb, and that's why here you have to use a past participle of the verb, and its sweet smell is liked or loved by all. Nowadays flowers are dash. This sentence also passive voice. Flowers are cultivated in our country. Many people earn their livelihood. By flower cultivation. Today many people, and here is also many people. Many is also a adjective, a countable adjective. That's why people is noun. So many people, there is a harmony between the grammar. Okay. Today many people decorate is a verb. It's after subject. Every sentence contains verb. Many people decorate their houses with flowers to enhance beauty. Okay. At present flower exhibitions are held or arranged. You can also arranged in our country. Arranged or held in our country. Okay, dear student, that's all for today, and I hope and I am optimistic that you will participate in my next class, and I will try to make you understand as so far as I can make you understand about without clues. And till then, Allah Hafiz, and take care and stay safe and stay home and stay safe, and must follow the health rules. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.